it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm back in my creative art journal. I have a pretty good idea about what I want to do, but we may just wing this somewhat. I'm going to be using this book of Brilliant Flowers. I just love these stickers. I want to try something a little different today. And I'm going to be using this Appointment to Paris book right in here. Beautiful stickers as well. And I may incorporate this washi right here. And I might be using some of these. I don't know. Probably my gyro cut. Maybe this right here. We'll just see. Because I'm really not sure what I'm going to be doing. Really what all I'm going to be using. So in case you missed it, this is what I did last week. I loved it. I thought it was so pretty. And this journal is getting really full, okay? So the first thing I want to do is this Brilliant Flowers, Letters from Afar, comes with clear stickers, and then this, it looks like they're kind of frosted like, almost like vellum, okay? And I think you get 2 of each, one like that and one like this. So I decided that I wanted to do this one, and then I'll show you the other one in a minute. So I think this is going to be really cute. Like I said, my watch is just going and going. Okay. So what I want to do is put this down first. Now, I think these are pre-cut. Yes, they are. I love pre-cut stickers. Makes everything so much better. All right, let's look and try to get this. I might hold this down. Put this on the edge of my desk. Hold this down just a little bit. All right, I think I'll put this one, move this hand just a little bit. I think I'm going to put it up here just a little bit. I think that is really pretty. And if you know me, you know I like to work from side to side. But let's do this first. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to get into this Appointment to Paris, and I'll link everything that I can find in the description box below. And I also have affiliate links, like I've said so many times, from Journal Say, the Washi Tape Shop, and Doodle Diaries. And with some of those, I also have coupon codes so they could save you money. So if you're going to shop those links anyway, I'd appreciate it if you'd use mine, okay? So in this book, this just really has a lot of beautiful girls. But I wanted to use this, and I think this is pre-cut. I hope. I truly hope. I prefer it, like I've said, and it is so much more. So let's get this. I like this because it has some brown to pull in that brown in there. There's just so many options, really. Okay, and then right here, which casts its light on everything. All right, let's move this and kind of put this. Oh, got it crooked. These seem to come up really nicely if you get them not where you want them. I can tell you that. Okay. And then this little number and line. I just think it's really cute. I wanted to do something very much different than what I had been doing. I think I'll put this one right here. You can see it's so easy, it's not even funny. Now let me go to my florals right now. I think that's probably what I want to do. Well, I think I can take that out now. Okay. I think these will work because of the brown in them. That's the only thing I don't know about. You don't have to have these on there, actually. And you know what? I don't know that I love them. Might not be bad. Let's continue and then we'll see what we're going to do because I'm not really sure. I really like how this is coming along so far. All right, so let's put this little flower right here. I think I want to put that right by her. You really wouldn't have to do a lot if you didn't want to. Then I'm going to take this. Looks like a bar grid like was up there. I'm just going to put it right along through there. And I'm going to put this little quote by her. I'll move it in close to her. Let me enjoy the flowers all over the world and be in Provence and see the purple lavender. I think that's pretty. Now here's this. Do I have anywhere that I want to add this number? Could add it there. Could add it. I think I'll add it right about there. Definitely wouldn't have to use all these stickers, but I think it adds. Okay, here is this beautiful side. Now let's do this side. And I don't know, I may add these circles. I'll probably add some text, so we're definitely not done. I thought this one picked up on some of that brown. I'm going to drop this one about here because I don't want them straight across from one another. Okay, let's put the girl that I chose for this one. I think she is beautiful. She could be this girl with her hair down. That's what I thought. Now, I could put her, if I wanted, up here. I could put her down there, but I really prefer to just alternate the placement of the girls. This I really like. Really, really like. Okay, now, let's put these flowers. I like them down here. One day the universe will become a point where you and I are both inside a long farewell, hundreds of millions of years ago, fragments of stars, okay? Now, don't want it right in line with her. I want to come over some. This is so cute. Okay, I think I'm going to put this. I could put it up there, but I want to bring it in a little. I think I got that straight. Let's look. It's those wavy lines. That was what throwing me off. Okay. And then over here, whoever, okay, with this little bar again. I just really like it. I think it adds so much. So I'm going to put that right down through there. I love this. Okay, let's add some words and see if we want to add anything else to this. You can see this makes a very lovely spread and it's very quick and easy to do, okay? So I have these. This looks like it is just, let's look at this. I haven't used this before. Just like quotes. that might be really pretty to go right in there. If I did that, then what would I do over here? I feel like this side is a little more empty because basically, I think I will put this in here. And this is pre-cut too. You gotta love it. All right, let's see. Do I want to move that there? Do I want to move it here? Do I want to put it like that? See, that added so much to this side because I felt like that was kind of empty. Now, I sort of think I need to do something over here, but not a lot. I don't need a lot, and some of this is really large. Let's see. This is kind of small, but I don't want to put it near that. I could drop it here. Do I want to do that? I don't know. Really like how this looks. I like this. This just looks a little plain to me. Let's look at this one. I think I like this one right there. Still feel like this needs something. I don't know. Let's look at this. This is different. Life is a romantic journey. Or I could put this. Let's look at this. These are pre-cut as well. I got these either off of Journal Say or Doodle Diaries. Let's see, would I like that there? I had it crooked. Maybe I would prefer this right like that. I like that better. That just looked too far up. Now, since I have big writing here, do I think I need something down here? Maybe. Tenderness. I think this will be great. Right there, except it's crooked. Okay, let's look at these because I'm kind of feeling like I could add a little more something to this. Let's just look, okay? Kind of like this. Let's just see. And then if I don't, since I haven't pulled it completely off, I think that adds. So I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to cut this about right here. About right there. I think that's right. So close. Oh, yes. Then I think I could cut this smaller and put it over there. So let's try this. Okay. I'm gonna put this where I want it here first. Okay. Cut this little bit off. I could always add it here. And then cut that off. I love that. That's so pretty. Okay, now I don't really want to go over any writing, but I am going to put this up there. And then I'll just cut off what I don't want. Okay. Let's turn this. Let's just do it like this. Yes. I love that. Let's see, would I want to put any in the corners? Nah. That really added to this spread so much. I definitely think I needed that. Now, let's take a look at it. Okay, here is my creative journal spread for this week. I love it. I think it turned out, it's very fresh, kind of modern, but then has a slight vintage feel by the use of these girls. I really love how this turned out. I think the more you layer, the prettier it is. If you enjoyed this creative journal with me this week and got some creative journaling ideas, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.